XJ220 in tow. My zoom button is actually malfunctioning. I'm using my old camera right now. So oh, Jesus, what the Alright, it is the 25th annual Concourse d'Elegance here. The Pagani stand here is absolutely packed. Fortunately for the roof and the XJ220 TWR and the COK GTR, not so much of a crowd. Don't worry guys, we're going to come back to all these cars. I'm going to show them to you individually, but right now we got quite the dog show. My goodness, it's really crowded here guys, so don't worry, we're going to come back to the cars momentarily. Dog meets dog. Ooh, it's a tiny Pomeranian. Dude, forget the cars, we got a dog show here. Alright, dog game is on point guys. We've got a dog carrier, whoa, and a dog stroller. Mr. Domo right next to the luggages here on the Fiat 600, but this display right next to it is a bit odd. A bunch of mannequins and the Fiat as well. What the heck? I mean, interesting I guess, I don't know. Got the Bambo Lambo right next to this bizarre GS Engineering McLaren. The ugly wheels, I don't know, and this funky looking kit. Look at the rear diffuser. I filmed this many months ago and it's made a reappearance right next to a two-toned oh, Max. Oh no, your precious 612 right next to the orange reflectors. Of course, we got Dan the Man's rocking right there. For the OG subscribers, you guys remember the good old Wilshire spot? It's completely roped off. If you park there for 5 seconds, a man will come out running in that building, yelling at you, telling you to leave. But anyways, we're gonna do another pass through the Rodeo Drive Concourse d'Elegance. We got some bad news. The COK GTR XJ220 and the roof up front there were all pushed in. So all the other cars at the show were driven in, but yep, sorry to disappoint guys. That's sick. Hold on, you guys are gonna like this. The dog vlog today is gonna be a 10 out of 10. Oh, chilling in there. Super relaxed, cozy. Ooh, border collie, yeah. Ooh, whoa, look at that one. Yeah. Oh, hello. Dude, check out this dog right here. Look at that, it's a bear dog. And we got a JP Logistics trucks waiting in the corner. The Rodeo show is nearly over. It's 4 p.m. so we're gonna start packing things up. Let's see what we catch on the street, guys. We got the Otter Pop Diablo. Yes. Crashing the entire Father's Day Rodeo Concourse. Check out these mini Teslas they got going on here at the Tesla stand on Rodeo Drive. And by the way, yes, the Rodeo Drive Concourse happens every year on Father's Day, and it is free, so the more you know. Ooh, dog meets dog. Oh, there's a panda on the dog. Look at that. Main attraction, we got a lowrider. Whoa. Here we go, check out the engine bay. Chromed out. There you go. The interior looking clean. Oh, the switches, hydraulic switches. Alright, looks like they're gonna be driving some of the cars out, but unfortunately for these three, they're being pushed out. Now the real question is, what would Genio Automobili almost do? He would probably drive this sucker out of here. We got the Hot Wheels right over here as well. Boom. I totally messed up. I didn't even see the EB110 at the other end, so I'm not doing a really good job covering the cars here, but here it comes. We got traffic enforcement here too. So, here we go. Yes. Yeah. Supersport.
I hope it won't like go around.
Yeah. It's got the green light, it's going straight. Oh no. Oh wait, it's turning, it's turning. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, we caught it. Now we're rolling. Ooh, we got a scooter here. Nice. There we go. EB110 baby, Supersport. That's a good photo. Question is, where are all the photographers? They're slacking, man. I'm gonna give you the juiciest part of the show right here. All the cars leaving. Boom. Look at that. That's hot. I like this. They got the parking enforcement car blocking the entrance. So we got the old school combo, the COK GTR competition race car, the XJ220 TWR, or the Roof CTR2. Question is, out of these three, which one will you guys choose? Definitely the three coolest cars here, including the EV110. Dude, check out that dog, it's a monkey. There it is, guys, the golf cart that's gonna be towing all three of these cars. Not sure why they're towing the Roof. Out of all three of these cars, that should be the one that should be driven, but camera crew, they probably don't know anything about any of these three cars, so good luck to them, I guess. No fucks given, she's just gonna go and do that woman's outfit. Honestly, guys, that is A+ standard Beverly Hills outfit right there. That's
and the
beautiful.
color changing hair.
Yeah. Wait, the hair. Dude, this woman is a natural born live streamer. She is flexing and flaunting that outfit like no other, baby. Look at that. Fantastic. She's doing a much better job than those two bums of a... We got the Roof CTR2 all loaded up there. Unfortunately, they were not able to turn on and drive it, but the XJ220 and the COK GTR should be rolling down here. This street is actually adjacent, parallel to Rodeo. It's Camden, it's where they load up all the cars for every show. So to be continued, I guess. Dude, everywhere we go, it's a dog show. That rhymed, nice. Good buddy Marcus and Tom has noted that this is a private trailer. It's got a restroom, probably like a little hangout area. Check that out. This guy's a baller, man. Hey, there goes the cone. Oh, no. Wait, stop. In the words of Sparky, get the shot, guys. Putting you guys out of business. Got the XJ220 in tow. My zoom button is actually malfunctioning. I'm using my old camera right now. So oh, Jesus, what the fuck was that? Did it just scrape it?
It hit the front splitter.
I heard the scrape.
Oh, he scraped.
Whoops, they came in a little too hot, I guess. There we go, I'm gonna zoom in and... Oh my goodness, I actually see it, yeah. It was actually pretty fucking bad.
Yeah, he cracked it.
Oh jeez, oh for fuck's sake.
No, you just have to send it.
What the f... Oh man, that hurt.
Yeah, a little more.
He really wanted that spot, dude. Oh my god. He's gonna get blocked in with a trailer. What an idiot. This is a really bizarre situation. They're just pushing the car in. We've seen there be some sort of automated like tow hook or winch to like, you know, drag it in, but I've never seen an operation like this before in my entire life. There it is, guys. Lamborghini 350 GT Superleggera. Absolutely perfect inside. Oh, and then we got the Mira SV right over there, baby. This Mira SV bird tone with the gold wheels. Got the E-Type. Got the Ferrari collector David Lee Dino. We got one more car over here. I don't know what this is. A 50 alloy. Okay, nice. We're right next to Bruce Meyer's collection here, right behind Rodeo Drive. Got one more car over here. I can't see what it is. Let me see. One sec, guys, just one sec. Oh, nice. All blue as well. Excellent. There you go, rear shot. Pantera Di Tommaso. Nice. It's like a mini car show within a car show. Check out that dog. It's a glorious dog. There we go. Oh, you better get the shot before the car's gone. And I think they got it. Ooh. Oh, that was close. Almost backed up into that little crate there. Oh.
Hey guys, can you let that car?
There she goes. I'm gonna give it one last zoom. Boom. You guys, I gotta check out this go-kart here. It's got a Ferrari. There we go. Boom. Of course, got the COK GTR just chilling on Camden. No one here. Unobstructed views, guys. We just got out of the garage in the SVR. There's a model shoot happening right next to the COK GTR. What The fuck, guys? Honestly.